Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica Essen. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make your own wellness shot. As you can see in this video, I'm showing you all the items that I use to create this wellness shot, and the total amount of money that I spent was $10. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica Essen. If you are a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you are an old subscriber here, thank you for sticking with me. I really appreciate you guys. I told you this year I was trying to take my YouTube serious, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm gonna be posting video every Tuesday and Friday to just interact with you guys. What I'm doing here is I'm using my juicer to just get extra juice from all the fruit that I just cut into smaller parts.